So we're gonna start with the vinaigrette and we're gonna let it sit while we do everything else because the vinaigrette has raw shallots in it. And if it has raw shallots or raw onions in your salad dressing, you wanna let it sit for like 20, 30 minutes just to like mellow those raw shallots out or the raw onions out. So I've got my raw shallots right here. Got a little spoon. We're gonna put everything in this little jar and shake it up. Whoop, get in there. Got shallots all over the place. Get in. We've got chopped basil. This is a really, really mega flavorful vinaigrette. It's delicious. And you don't have to only use it on a Niçoise salad. You can put it in whatever you want, any kind of salad you want. Got some chopped thyme. Got some chopped tarragon. Tarragon has kind of like a licorice anise flavor. I'm not actually a big fan of licorice or anise, but I do like tarragon. And it doesn't make this particular dressing taste like licorice. It's not overpowering at all. But if you don't like the taste of licorice, if you're really sensitive to it, you can totally leave it out. We've got some Dijon mustard. This is actually going to help bind everything together and keep it relatively creamy. We've got some olive oil, which we're gonna throw in. Boop. And then we've got some acid. We've got a little bit of red wine vinegar. Put that in. Actually, this is homemade red wine vinegar. It's really good. But you can use, you know, if you're not a big fan of red wine vinegar, you can use another vinegar if you like. Then we've got some capers. Come on, capers. Everybody into the pool. In we go. Okay. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper. Boop, boop. And salt. Like, I know how much salt is supposed to be in here, so I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Boop, boop. There you go. And if you like it saltier, you're more than welcome to add more salt. I just like the way the salad is balanced as is. And then we're gonna seal up the jar, give it a good shake. Shake, shake, shake. I do that because I'm trying to like make the salad or the dressing run down the side, so when I open it, it doesn't just like flow all over the place. I don't know if it actually works, but it makes me feel better. Let's see. Woo. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Where'd my spoon go? There it is. Boop. Sorry, gotta rinse off my hands there because I'm covered in Dijon mustard. I'm gonna give it a quick stir and we're gonna taste it. So it hasn't sat yet, so it's gonna be pretty shalloty because there's raw shallots in here. We're gonna let this sit while we do everything else. It's good, it needs more salt though. There you go. That's why it's important to taste, right? Like, you may be happy with the recipe, but the particular ingredients that you're using in that moment may ask for more or less salt. And clearly, even though I've made this many times before, it needs more salt this time. Give it another taste. Ooh. Covered in dressing. Give it another taste. I do not want a big bite of shallot, but thank you. Oh, that's good. It's so bright and fresh, and the herbs taste delicious. Amazing. Okay, we're gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and then we're gonna start building our salad.